Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I keep all of my towels, my washcloths, cleaning cloths, kitchen towels, hand towels, and even my reusable mop head soft, and also how I keep them just being able to soak up all that moisture. I know my kitchen towels take a lot of spills, my cleaning towels in particular obviously soaking up different chemical solutions and things like that that I use for cleaning. This also helps prevent my hand towels from streaking when I use them on mirrors or glass, windows, anything like that. And of course, same with my reusable mop heads. As long as I do this, it keeps them from streaking on my hardwood floors, my vinyl floors, all of those things. And I'm going to show you guys how I do that with just one really simple, easy laundry hack. So I will keep all of my hand towels and my reusable mop heads in this basket. This just sits on top of my washer. That way, when it gets full, I'll wash these separately from everything else just to make sure that they're getting the full effect. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw these right in my washer. Now what I'm going to do is add in my laundry soap like I normally would, and instead of adding in fabric softener, I'm going to add in a little bit of just plain white vinegar. I got this in a 1-gallon jug from Walmart for pretty cheap. I use this in pretty much all of my homemade cleaning supplies. I go through a lot of vinegar. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this vinegar and actually put it in this section right here, which is where I would typically put fabric softener. The vinegar actually helps relax all of the fabric, all of the fibers in the fabric specifically, which will help them be able to absorb more water and leave a more streak-free clean, which is what we want. If you don't have a washer like I do, you can just go ahead and throw it right in like you normally would with your detergent, or you could wait until the rinse cycle and then throw in a little bit of vinegar. It's really up to you. I find that it doesn't really matter if I wait specifically for the rinse cycle or if I just throw it in normally. So I typically just tend to throw it in normally because I know we're all busy. I don't have time to sit and, you know, babysit this load of laundry until it's at the rinse cycle and throw it in. So that's how I tend to do it, and it's just that one easy, simple hack that's going to keep your washcloths and your mop heads working more efficiently for a lot longer. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and of course, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!